Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel today. I'm going to show you how to delete a card payment method in Opera GX. Whether you're cleaning up your saved cards or just want to remove an old one, this quick guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. First, open your Opera GX browser. Click on the Opera icon settings or press Alt plus P. In the Settings panel now, scroll down on the left-hand sidebar and click on Advanced. You'll see an option called Payment Methods. Click on that to view your saved cards. Here you'll see a list of all the payment methods you've saved. To delete a card, click on the three dots next to the card you want to remove. Then select Remove from the drop-down menu. And that's how you delete a card payment method in Opera GX. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.